keep walking. We have the whole foot there. Yeah. Right.
Oh, it's a halibut.
Oh, halibut, babe.
It's a huge ass halibut.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's a halibut. Holy crap. I finally did it. I finally got one.
How strong is your line?
Oh my
God, that's a problem.
That's a big halibut. It's a huge halibut.
Like,
Eddie, I need you.
here, keep walking.
Dude, you see how we're like, oh, that's a crab bite. No, that's a halibut. Oh gosh, it's strong. It's super strong. Oh.
Yeah, yeah, but it saw us.
Gotta go a little bit.
I know, I just don't want to put his head up above water.
Yeah, just let the head go to the net. Don't let it touch the net. He's gonna get so angry.
All right, drop your net down. I'm gonna lean it towards. Oh,
It's okay. Play with it. He's good with that.
Yeah, you're done.
Fucking nice one, bro. Take your time, buddy. Take your time.
No, Jerry, you're gonna lose it like that.
oh, it's bigger. Oh, get it in, get it in.
So I can try to help.
It's in.
No, not yet. Hold on.
Yeah, come on.
Fuck, he's fucking huge.
He's huge. Oh, now he's in. Oh,
Oh no.
Yeah, you gotta get.
all right.
Okay. Hold on. You're gonna go yours, okay?
Okay.
You got it.
Oh, it's huge. It's huge. It's huge. Oh my gosh.
We need a baton.
Wow.
Eddie, ow.
Yeah, brother.
That was really good.
Woo! My wrist is hurting.
Oh shit.
On Shiner. On Shiner.
Shine it, baby.
Shiner, baby. See how big this is.
32.
30. Put it down, all the way down.
It is down.
Let's see.
Watch your finger.
It's 33.
Oh, it's
32
That's what
and
we
a half.
caught. The biggest one on the boat was like 33.
Oh, it's like, yeah, 32 and a half.
2 to 2.5, yep.
32 and a half.